Hi, and welcome to Spry Whimsy. Today, I'm going to take a moment and show you how to take the drive wheel off of a Spinolution Echo. Okay, in order for the drive wheel to come off, first the treadle has to come off. So to do that, I'm going to flip it on its back. And there's a tiny little set screw at the bottom down here. And that's not the right size, that feels a little too big. So I get my Allen key, give that a twist, and this should just slide up. Set that aside. Now, just note, this slides will fall back, so it's going to hold it up there as you stand it back up. Now, to remove the drive wheel, there is a screw down at the bottom of a big mortise here. You need a really long screwdriver for. Loosen that up, and the drive wheel comes off. Keep track of your washers. The reason that sometimes you might need to do this is you might need to add washers somewhere for a slight adjustment to the wheel. Put it back together. Just slide that back in, make sure it's snug. Bring that back down, tighten that back up. Lay it on its back again. Now this gets a little tricky. I need to make sure that my treadle, my foot treadles here on the top of the footrests, and I need to make sure that the hole in my pitman lines up with the bearings here. Line that up, make sure that this is pushed up in the bottom. Now, since this is two parts for this treadle, they have to be aligned. Right now mine are not aligned. I have to back up a little, because if they're not aligned, you see I have big gaps there, then the hole isn't one hole, it becomes multiple. Try again. Try to get everything smoothed out. Should I'm lined up there, and it slides down and on. I'm pushing up on the shaft, and I tighten that set screw back. Make sure that's steady. Stand it back up. Put the head back on. Oop, the head back on. There it is. Tighten my thumb screw in the back. Make sure the washer is there. Put the drive band back on. Have your treadle open so you can thread this through. Oh, make sure I'm in the right spot. Drive band is back on. Close that up. Put my little band back on. And back up and spinning. Just in case there's some reason you need to take the drive wheel off, that's how you do it.